Hey guys, did you heard about the capybara brush effect on TikTok? It's very funny and interesting, guys. And if you want to activate such a cool effect on your own TikTok, let's follow our example from the video. So the first step you need to do is to open the TikTok application and click on the plus icon at the bottom of the screen. Later, let's click on the effects option here, and if you don't have this very funny effect on the list, we have the fixed option. Let's click on the search bar and next on the search bar again and type the capybara brush text on the line. Capybara brush. And this is that filter I talk about. It's very nice because you can locate a lot of different capybaras on your TikTok. And I hope that this tutorial was very funny and you will use this special effect for new TikTok trends. And guys, don't forget about likes. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to find even more cool tutorials about the TikTok and other programs. Good luck, guys. Goodbye!